feet. You understand what I'm saying there? Good. Good. That's it, Paul. Turn to left a little bit. Good. Nice. Perfect. You feel that?
Mm-hmm.
A little deeper this time, right?
A little deeper.
Gotcha. Come a little closer. Everybody wants to hear the adjustment here. Good. Just let it go here. Okay, let it go, Paul. Good. He's a little tight here. That's it. Let it go. Good. Nice. Perfect. How was that, Paul?
It's good.
Good. Good. His first massage this morning, so he's a little greased up here, ready to go. Okay, come towards me here. Good. Okay. How does that feel like, Paul?
It's totally different. Really wasn't that painful at all.
Explain to how it's totally different.
It's higher up, you know. It's a lot higher up. When
This side's a little odd. Tilt towards me a little bit. Yeah, he's not letting me have this side for some reason. Okay. Good, there we go.
Maybe that's my.
That one hurt a little bit? Yeah, because you didn't want me to.
Okay, let's get this under your skull. Okay, lay it back. All right. You can take a deep breath through your nose for me. Exhale. There you go. That was absolutely perfect. Felt that one all the way down, didn't you?
Sure did.
I might just name your video that. Felt that all the way down under. Good. That a girl. Look at you. Old man, and then when we got this quiet one, they're getting on me about this one being too quiet. And bring your legs down just a little. If you sleep with your legs parallel, that should feel pretty comfortable right there.
It does.
In this position. Yes. So you got a curve in your neck now, which is what you're supposed to have, as opposed to propping your head forward with the pillow.
Yeah.
Okay. Everything's about biomechanics and the XYZ. Nice deep breath through your nose. Keep your teeth together. Don't bite your tongue. There it is, right there. And you should have felt that go.
Oh my
all
God.
the way down. That's the most common reaction that we hear right there. Oh my God. Yep. Tilt right just a bit. There it is. I got one more down here. I can feel it. Yep, that's all she. Uh-oh.
Wasn't my fault. That's one bearing left.
There you go. You should have felt that go all the way down your spine.
Yeah.
Good deal. Lay there for a second. Don't get up. You're still kicking. You're right.
Hang a head on the wall.
No, not yet. Drop it in my hand. Tilt your head left. There you go. Tilt your head right. That's it.
Because they were interested in coming, or just
Yes, no, I really am interested. Yeah.
I told her yesterday, I was like, I have to go back to the chiropractor. She's like, oh my God, no way. I was like, want you to come with me? She's like, yeah. I was like, wow, okay.
Alright, so let's go right there. You go ahead, breathe in and out. Good. Again. Good. Now breathe in, hold it in. Good, out. Good, relax. Okay. Good, okay, now. Good, relax down on your back. So we're going to push your hips again. So I'm going to have you put this one between my knees here. Relax. Keep this hip and knee relaxed. Good. So I'm going on this side. I'm going to slide you down a little bit. Good. Good. I'm going to go right there first. Good. She knows the routine already. But go ahead, breathe in and out again for me. Good. Good. Again. Good. Now breathe in and hold it in. Good. Nice. Okay, keep that relaxed. Good. nice and easy here. Good, nice. Go that way. How'd that feel?
Very good.
There. Good. Slide this way just a little bit. Good. Very good. Okay, now. All right, nice and easy right here.